Hi everyone. This is just a quick tour of my fall garden. We've had some cooler temperatures at night, and so we're just wrapping things up. This is my last raised bed, and I've got Crenshaw melons, and you can see pumpkins. Further down I have the basil, Swiss chard, stevia, which is just blooming, so I can harvest it. That's the best time to harvest stevia, by the way, is when it blooms. My cucumbers, you can see one up at the top. Then I have all my tomatoes right here. And there's plenty of ripe ones here. Go around to the next bed. I have my beans, which are just finishing up. We just have a few left in the tops. I had bush beans on the bottom. And on this row we've got, first of all, harvested my little watermelons. Stray tomato, these are my peppers. And some beets, Swiss chard, some more peppers, and then I've got the little pumpkins. We've already harvested quite a few of those, but there's still a few in there. Then I have my long bed here with the hot peppers, and I've had family come and picking the extras of those. And I've got cantaloupe on this trellis, see, getting ready to harvest these. This is the other bed I have. I've got the little sun sugar tomatoes, and I've got the big pumpkins. Now, we had a drop in temperatures one night, about 20 degrees, and when I came out, the leaves looked like this. Some kind of powdery mildew, I don't know, but anyway, I got a pretty big pumpkin right there. Pretty excited for that one. These cement forms, I think is what they're called. This is my tomato cage, but we did cement forms on some of the things we trellised. This pumpkin went everywhere. It went from, oh, I got a great big green one right there. Yay. Anyway, that's my morphed Russian mammoth. Here's my Russian mammoth right there. I have got kale and Swiss chard and some more beets. I have got the sun sugar tomatoes, which I'm harvesting today, some of them. Pumpkin in the path. Yeah, I ran out of space to trellis this thing. I would need like a 2-story building to get my pumpkins trellised. Anyway, you got a watermelon there. It's probably getting close to ready. We already picked a great big huge one off of this watermelon. Hi, kitty. And here's my butternut squash, and this is our other trellis that we did on the cement forms, and it worked out quite well. And we have a lot of butternut. We had the hailstorm earlier in the summer, and it damaged a lot of the leaves. But here's my long bed. I hope you're not getting too dizzy watching this. The long bed, and I think I counted like 27 butternut squash on this thing. This cement form over our tall bed worked really, really well. I'm really happy about that. Anyway, I've got tons of butternut. I'm so excited because I love butternut squash. But that's my garden. We trellised up on some tomato cages that my dad made. I had extra ones, so I thought, hey, why not? And more cantaloupe. So excited. Anyway, that's my fall garden. Things are working out well. Really happy with what I did. So there you go. Bye.